Hey, do you know you can record your screen with Filmora? Yes. It could be a tutorial or any kind of video that will require you to capture the screen. Most people use software like Camtasia, but Filmora have inbuilt features that you can capture your screen. So stay with me. I'm going to show you how to capture your screen right here with Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my tutorials in the future. So let's get started. So when you start your Filmora software, you will see something like this. So go to record and click on the drop down. You will see three options. You can record from webcam, you can record PC screen, and also you can record voiceover. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your PC screen. So click on that and it will bring us to this window. So on this, you can customize it. Do you want to use microphone? If you want to use it, you can activate it. If you don't, you can deactivate it. And you can also choose a microphone from the drop down. The same with the speaker. If you don't want it on, you can deactivate it. And you move to this, you click on this, you have three options here. You can either capture the full screen, or you can capture a customized area or a target window. And this one, we're going to capture the full screen. So click on that. Now we have some setting right here. You can choose where you want to save it, the frame rates, and the mouse. If you want the mouse to show, you click on that. And also you can use webcam. You check the list and your webcam will show, and you can drag it and drop it on any parts you want. So when you're done with all the settings, you click on this button to start recording, and it will give you a 3 countdown. After the 3 countdown, it will start recording whatever is on the screen. So right now we are capturing whatever is on our screen. When you're done with your recording, you can click F9, or you go and search for the icon right there and click to stop recording. The moment you're done with capturing, it should drop you right where you can start your editing. So you can double click on it and see it on the preview screen, or you can drag and drop it on the timeline and start editing. So guys, that's how to record your screen with Filmora. It is very straightforward. So with Filmora, you don't need any external screen recording software. You can do pretty everything in here. After the recording, you drop it in here and you can start your editing right away. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you do, favor this video by liking it, share it with your friends, and you can leave a comment below on any video you would like me to work on in my next video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any future video. And also, please, you can support me on Patreon. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.